Looking for training wheels that won't let you down? Wald training wheels offer a solid, reliable option for kids riding single-speed bikes with wheel sizes from 16 to 26 inches. Designed to support riders up to 125 pounds, these steel wheels are easy to install and built tough enough to handle the bumps and rides that come with learning to bike. What sets Wald apart? It's the commitment to quality and American manufacturing. In a market flooded with cheaply made imports, these training wheels stand out for their sturdiness and longevity. Unlike many products made overseas that seem to lose quality year after year, Wald training wheels hold up like the dependable gear your parents once bought, lasting through years of use and even passing down to younger siblings or friends. I've seen firsthand how these training wheels make a difference. When I bought them for my kids, I appreciated not just the solid build but also supporting a small American business. The wheels arrived right on schedule, and the craftsmanship was clear from the moment I unpacked them. They felt sturdier than anything else on the shelf, which gave me confidence that my kids would stay balanced and safe during their rides. Plus, knowing these wheels are made in the USA adds a layer of trust that you just don't get with mass-produced imports. If you're tired of replacing worn-out training wheels every year or two, Wald offers a smart alternative. These wheels are designed exclusively for single-speed bikes and feature steel construction with stays up to 3/4 inch thick, ensuring durability without compromising ease of installation. Whether you're buying for your own child or looking for a dependable gift, Wald training wheels deliver real value that lasts. Worth a look if you want training wheels that combine solid performance with American-made quality. If that's you, consider Wald training wheels for your next purchase. They're easy to install, built to last, and backed by a company that cares about craftsmanship. Try them when you're ready, and give your child the support they need to ride confidently and safely.